3 things you should love about yourself before falling in love. Popular wisdom says that you must love yourself before loving any other person, but saying it is one thing and doing it is a completely different one. Getting to love yourself is really a challenge, but how should you start? Maybe loving these things for yourself before having any relationship. 1. How you look. It sounds obvious, but reaching that degree of acceptance, in which knowing each fold, each wrinkle, each imperfection of your body, you love it and want it is not a simple task, because to get to that point you will have fought more than one battle against yourself and the imposed beauty stereotypes. 2. The way you are. An intelligent woman knows herself, knows what she does and does not. That is why before starting a relationship she will know herself, value herself, and will not allow anything or anyone to change what she thinks is essential. 3. Your intimate life. For an intelligent woman, her sexuality does not belong to others, she takes responsibility for it, she knows what she likes and she is aware that only she is the owner of what her body can feel. Also, enjoys and knows how to ask for what she wants. Source: https://www.bellelu.com. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. To learn more about 3 things you should love about yourself before falling in love, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the link in the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.